Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share Instagram Reels. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Instagram app on your mobile phone, here you have to select the reel which you want to share. So suppose that I want to share this reel. So you guys have to simply tap on the plane icon which is right next to comment icon. So after tapping on that, here you guys have the option to share that Instagram reel to any of your friend on Instagram. But if you don't want to share on Instagram friend, or if you want to share externally from on other applications, so you guys have to just tap on share button. So after tapping on that share button, so you guys can be able to directly share through any of the application. So if you don't want to share through any of the application, but you want to share the link of that reel to anyone, so you guys have to just tap on the copy button which is on first upward, and you guys have to just send the reel to anyone which you want to share. So in this way you guys can share Instagram reel. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.